So it's 7 a.m. and I'm getting up to go to chef school. So here I am on the 18th of January at 8:30 a.m. So here we are, we're heading to Laukantori, where you can find a number of restaurants and where the ferries are. To cross over to Vikinsaari, which is an island that also has a restaurant, and it's a nice little trip on the boat. Just here on the left is the sauna Ravintola.
Kuulen sen äänen.
Here I am at the famous Fazer Cafe, Tampere, and it is so beautiful. The minute you walk in the door, there's a smell of cinnamon, and it smells almost Christmassy. And the coffee, you can have a barista-made coffee or you can have a filter coffee. And I just got the Fazer original blend, and I really love just the filter coffee here. And they always serve it with a nice little chocolate. And I've also had the really beautiful hot chocolate here. It's quite mild, so it's really good for kids. They're not going to be, chocked out completely. So, and you can get it with whipped cream. These are my absolute favourite.